Hi guys!
Hi everybody!
Ngayon ay mag-get to know me tayo. May mga nakahanda na ako ng question dito para sa akin. Tanong ko para sa akin.
Okay.
So, get to know me question. Number 1, where were you born? Pinanganak ako sa Antipolo, Rizal City.
Oh! Woo! Antipolo! Antipolo!
Number 2, ilang taon na ako? Ako po ay 16.
Okay.
Yes. When is your birthday? July 2008. What is your favorite color? So, my favorite color is black and gray. And I like
Yellow!
to pink and everything.
Okay.
Pang fifth tayo is, what is your favorite day of the week? My favorite day of the week is Saturday and Sunday. What is your favorite food? Pancit Canton. Adobo. Sinigang. Ano ba? Carbonara, spaghetti. Tapos nilagyan na Tapos cake also. Yun lang. Hindi ko na alam yung iba. Favorite drink? Chucky, Yakult, Dutch milk, fresh milk, Bear Brand. Minsan lang ako umiinom ng Coke.
Okay.
What is your favorite ice cream flavor? Kulay... Ito, chocolate siya, chocolate. Ayun. My favorite ice cream flavor is chocolate. What do you want to be when you grow up? I want to be a FA, a flight attendant. Where do you want to live when you grow up? In Italy or Paris or German, I guess.
Wow naman! Wow! Wow!
Or Russia. Do you have any brother or sister? No. No, I have. Ako lang. Do you have any pets? Yes. Ano po? Si Yuki at Light. May 2 pets. What do you like to do in your free time? Sleep. Sleep. And cellphone.
This bitch.
Tapos, na-drawing ako.
No, it's nice.
Tapos, ayun lang. Who is your best friend? 4 kami magkakaibigan. Pero di ko na sila i-drop name. Alam na nila yun. Wait lang, adjust natin to. Who is your favorite Ah? Ay, pang 15 na pa tayo. Pang 15. What is your favorite subject? My favorite subject is MAPE. Pang 16 na tayo. What is your favorite movie? Titanic. What is your favorite book? Since 1896 by sa ano, yung parang kay Maria Clara. Yun po. Pang 18 na tayo. What is your favorite animal? Cats and dogs. What is your favorite place? Luneta Park and Riverbank. What is your favorite song? El Bimbo. Then, that's all. Get to know me. May cellphone ako ngayon eh. Sorry guys. Ito yung first vlog ko ba. Ito yung first vlog ko ba. First vlog. Ano nyo ako? Click nyo yan. Ano nyo ako? Subscribe nyo ako tapos like nyo yung video ko. Para update kayo lahat sa mga ina-upload ko. Yun lang. See you guys. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. Salamat sa panonood.